Hey guys, this is Gaurav again, and today in this video I'm going to talk about another important function which we use in Excel, and that's index match. Alright, so what is index match? Index match is an extended version of sort of VLOOKUP. I think that's how people have been using it. I mean, that's how I've been using it wherever there is a limitation in VLOOKUP. So in case you don't know what VLOOKUP, there is another video I have created, must be in my playlist. You can find it and check it, but in this video we are going to talk about, or we'll focus on the index match function. The index match function is made up of two, it's kind of a merged function as we call it. It's made up of two functions. One is index, another one is match. And index has its own qualities and match definitely has its own quality, and when they complement each other, it creates index match as a unique function, which is kind of great once you master it and can use it on your data set. So let's jump into what is index and match, and it's extremely important that we understand index and match separately so that we know what it really means. Okay, so let's get started. So what is index? If we say index basically pulls you the value based on the cell address you will provide in the formula itself. So I mean, it may sound a little complicated, but let me show you how it works. So let's say if you start with index bracket open, you have to select the array, what's your data set looks like, then comma. Now here is the thing, right? And this is one of the limitation with the index, which is kind of overcome by the match function. So you have to provide a row number. So let's say if I put the row number 3, and then it will ask you for the column number. So let's say if I say column number to be 4, and then bracket closed, and it will pull you a value. So math, right? So let's see what it did. So row number 3, column number 4, row number 3, column number 4. So it, here is the intersection. So basically it provides you the value sitting on the intersection of the row and column address you provided, which is 3 by 4. So let's just highlight it so that we remember what it was. So this is our formula for index. All right, so I'm writing it because I want to refer this back. So what does index did? It pulls the value based on a cell address, right? Let's remember it like this. What is match? Okay, so match is something, it pulls you the address or the row number where your matched value is sitting. So when I say matched value, it basically asks you for a criteria you want to put, and it will look for that value in the table array you will provide, and then it will tell you which row that value is sitting. So let's have a look. So match lookup value. Let's say if you want to look for maths, right, and you put comma, it's your lookup array. Let's say this is my lookup array, and then we put this. Now it gives you an option in case you are looking for values or numbers, if you are looking for less than or greater than, and stuff like that. But because we are talking about text, let's just select 0 and bracket closed. Okay, so third, right? So it gives you 3. So what it means is when we were looking for maths in this column, it says the row number 3 has that exact match. So which means this, and as we can see, it will give you the first value appearing in that column, something similar to the VLOOKUP thing. Now basically it provides us the row address, or the the number of row where the value you want to pull is sitting, or where it finds the match is sitting. So let's define it. It pulls the row address based on a criteria in a range in the defined range. Okay, let's now try to merge these two guys, one, and try to do index match. So remember that index formula is looking for your array, then your row address, then column address. What match is pulling? Your row address. So you have to fix this, or basically make this 3 as a value, as a variable. So let's see what it means. Plus, when you do index, it asks you for the array, so that's your starting, which is your A to E in your formula. Put a comma and row number. So row number is something which you want to pull through the match function, and don't want to do this here, right? So say match, lookup value, you want to look for maths, comma, lookup array, this, comma, you want exact match, I get closed. So match function is finished. This will give you the address, the row address for maths. Now we try to finish our index function. So from our index function formula, this is the value we have already achieved. Now we have to put this value. So which column's value you want to pull here? You want to pull for the first, which is basically this, or you want to pull any other column. You want to pull this, you want to pull this, you want to pull this, you want to pull this. So let's see. So comma, let's say we want to pull the value of the third column, bracket closed. Your formula is done. Enter. Asia. So let's try to understand what it really means. So let's copy the formula so that we know what is happening. Okay, A to E is your table array, then this piece, the match function, right, is actually providing you a value of 2, which we already saw. Actually not, it's exactly the same formula, so it's providing you the value 3. Now then you said 3 here, so your column number is 3 again. So you have a table array in 3 by 3. So if you see index, you wanted to pull 3 by 3. So third row and third column, your intersection is Asia, and that's what we can see we pulled, right? So this is how index match formula works, guys. In case you have any other comments, or you're looking for any other formula explanation, please let me know, drop me in the comment. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and do subscribe my channel, because I'll be making some more videos on Excel and some other softwares, Access, and stuff I've been using. So thanks for watching. In case you have any more questions or fusions, drop me a note, and we'll definitely be touching in the coming videos. All right, thanks guys, bye for now.